Hey guys, hope everybody's doing well. Welcome back to the channel. This is Ford Fanatic. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. If this is your first time to the channel, I hope you choose to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. And if you are new, this is a 2020 F250 with a 7.3 gas. Has the tremor package with 430 gears, and it has a Pro Charger on it. And what we are doing today is checking the fuel mileage to see what it gets out on the highway. Let me turn this camera around and I'll give you guys a little quick look at the truck. I've pulled over off to the exit to kind of get out and do a walk around real quick. But here we go, guys. Been out on the road today, just trying to get fuel mileage readings. I'm very impressed with the fuel mileage this thing's getting. On the highway. I've never really checked it, and I was expecting it to be a little bit less than what it's actually getting at the time. Out here where I'm at, it's relatively flat, but it is very hot and humid. But very impressed. Averaging 16.8, 16.9 miles per gallon. Here she is, guys, but just wanted to pull over and about to hit the interstate. I'll see you guys in a bit. All right, guys. Interstate, trying to get an accurate fuel reading. I've already went about 50 miles. I've had it locked down on cruise control, 70 mile an hour for the most part, and this is where it's been lingering. 16.9, 16.8, 16.7. I've seen it down to 16.7 and all the way up to about 17.1. I had to slow down a little bit to about 60 mile an hour for a few minutes, and at 65 it went over 17 miles per gallon. But staying on 70 on cruise, it looks like it's kind of lingering around the upper 16 range. So actually very impressed with that, because I didn't expect it to get that much, to be honest. And it is another hot and humid day. It's actually more hot and humid than when I did my towing video. I gave it a little tiny hit. It dropped to 16.4. Just a little tiny hit. Back on the road, heading back towards home. It is starting to cool down a bit. Outside it's dropped probably almost 10 degrees since I first started the video. But as you can see, there we are, 16.9. trying to get an accurate fuel mileage reading for you. I've had several people ask me what the fuel mileage was out on the highway, and I honestly do not know, because for one, I never check it, and normally when I go on a travel, I normally take the wife's vehicle, so I don't take this one on long trips too much. You see, we have dropped a bit in fuel mileage, 16.6. I am going 72. I got it locked on 72 on cruise. When I had it on 70, it seems its sweet spot is about 65. It'll get over 17. As you can see, as soon as I start to decelerate, the fuel mileage will go up a hair, which is normal. I'm gonna lock it back down on 70. That's actually 69. Bump it up a hair. Alright, there we go, 70. So 16.7, 16.8. If you guys have anything that you'd like to see me make, any type of video, drop me a comment. I'd be glad to do it for you. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for upcoming content. Make sure to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. See you guys next time. Thanks for watching. And guys, I will leave the link in the description below, but I have a 10% off promo code to 5-Star Tuning. If you are interested in purchasing anything for your car or truck, give those guys a call. But like I say, the promo code and the link is in the description below.